Today, we will talk about how to start your own cosmetics line. Let's have a look at the details. Starting your own cosmetic line can be a lot of fun, but it's hard work, too. Nonetheless, if you put in the time and effort, it can be a great way to earn a living. Start by figuring out what products you want in your line and finding a lab or distributor who will produce them. Work on a small line of products first, and build up from there. As you get your products out in the world, building up your cash flow, you can add more products later. The first step is choosing products and ingredients. Obtain a degree or college diploma in cosmetology to gain an understanding of the industry. While further education isn't strictly necessary, it will give you a basic understanding of makeup product lines. You'll learn about ingredients and application, both of which are important when starting your own line. Choose the attributes you want to base your brand on. The attributes of your line are what define it and set it apart from other lines. For instance, maybe you want to focus on natural, organic products, or maybe your goal is to produce a high-end luxury line. Build a brand around what's missing in the marketplace. If you want to stand out, bring something new to the marketplace. Study cosmetic products to pick ingredients for your line. Spend time researching common ingredients. Look at what they do for a product, as well as whether they're common allergens. Decide what kinds of ingredients you'd prefer in your products. Learn the Food and Drug Administration's (FDA's) regulations. The FDA regulates items like cosmetics, so study them before you start your business. The second step is finding a lab and distributor. Research cosmetic labs online to create a completely new product. To start a cosmetic line, you'll need to work with a cosmetic lab. Look for ones that value what you value. Work with a distributor instead of a lab for an easier process. Basically, they'll find what you need and put your label on it for you. You'll need to do the same type of research on distributors that you would on labs. Ask for samples from the companies you're evaluating. Most labs and distributors are willing to send you samples. If they are, you can see what kinds of products they offer, which can give you an idea about whether you want to work with them or not. Visit labs and distributors to decide which one is the best fit. Most companies are more than willing to show you around, particularly if you're a potential client. Once you've seen them, pick the one that seems to fit your brand best. Come up with a product based on your research. Work with your lab or distributor to create a product that matches the brand you want to create. The third step is setting up your business. Get help from professionals and other business people. When you're first starting out, there's a lot you don't know about starting a company. Ask for help from your friends and family, and when you can, pay for professional help. Register your business with the government. Choose your name, and then set up either an LLC or a sole proprietorship with your state. You'll need to fill out some basic documents and pay a fee, typically less than $200, and you'll get a tax ID for your business. Save money for your first products. It costs money to buy the products for your line, so you need to start saving money right away. Apply for a loan or seek out investors for extra cash. If you're afraid you won't be able to save the cash, you do have other options. You can try getting investors for your business or even get a small business loan. Create or have someone design a logo for your brand. A logo makes your brand instantly identifiable. The fourth step is establishing your first products. Start with a simple product, like eyeshadow. Work with your lab or distributor to decide on the ingredients and colors you want in your line. Brainstorm ideas for color names with a group of people. Test your product on yourself and your friends. Your product should have already gone through safety tests, but now you need to see if they're working like you want them to. Try them on yourself, and hand them out to people you know. Give them a feedback card and ask for honest feedback. Choose shipping packaging that fits your brand. The fifth step is getting your product out into the world. Design a marketing plan. A marketing plan will include prices for your product, as well as how you will get your product to your customers. Create a website online to sell your products. A website is a great way to sell your products. You can use a free website design tool, though if you don't feel like you have the skills, you can pay someone to do it for you. Print up business cards with your logo. You can design a basic one yourself or pay someone to design a business card for you. Use social media to create and maintain a customer base. If you already have a following on social media, that's great. Run advertisements on social media and search engines to gain customers. Give products and samples out for free to increase exposure. Set up a booth at local fairs and pop-up shops. To build a local clientele, you need to reach customers. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.